This video is about integral by trig substitution. Calculate integral square root x over 4 minus x dx by using the substitution x equals 4 sine square theta. Express your answer in the form a arc sine square root of x over 2 plus b square root 4x minus x squared plus c. X equals 4 sine square theta. We know for the integral by substitution, we need to figure out the relationship between dx and d theta. So take a derivative of both sides. 1 equals 4 times 2 sine theta cosine theta d theta by dx times dx both sides. Dx equals 8 sine theta cosine theta d theta. Then from x equals 4 sine square theta, we can work out sine theta. X over 4 equals sine square theta. Square root both sides. Square root x over 2 equals sine theta. From here, we can create a right triangle. This is a theta. This is a right angle. Opposite square root of x. Hypotenuse 2. Adjacent side will be square root. 2 squared is 4 minus x. From this right triangle, we can figure out cosine theta equals square root 4 minus x over 2. And for the theta, we can get two forms. From here, theta equals arc sine square root of x over 2. For this equation, we can get theta equals arc cosine square root 4 minus x over 2. So for integral square root x over 4 minus x dx, we can separate integral of square root of x over square root 4 minus x dx. For square root of x, we can get square root of x equals 2 sine theta. For cosine theta equals square root of 4 minus x over 2, we can get square root 4 minus x equals 2 cosine theta equals integral 2 sine theta over 2 cosine theta times dx equals this 8 sine theta cosine theta d theta reduce equals integral 8 sine square theta d theta. We know sine square theta equals 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2. So we get integral 8 times 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 2 d theta. Reduce again. Then do the distributive property. equals integral 4 minus 4 cosine 2 theta d theta. Then we can get 4 theta minus 4 times sine 2 theta times 1 over 2 plus c. Then simplify 4 theta reduce minus 2 sine 2 theta plus c. Remember, we want to figure out the solution, this format. So theta, we will use these expressions. For sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. We know sine theta equals square root x over 2. Cosine theta equals square root 4 minus x over 2. So we have square root x over 2 times square root 4 minus x over 2. Reduce. We will get 1/2 square root 4x minus x squared. Then we will do substitution for theta and sine 2 theta equals 4 arc sine square root of x over 2 minus 2 times 1 over 2 square root 4x minus x squared plus c. Simplify. Final answer 4 arc sine square root of x over 2 minus square root 4x minus x squared plus c.